Welcome back to my rubber heart. Today, let's delve into the world of plasticizers, focusing on one that is both ubiquitous and occasionally controversial, diisononyl phthalate or DINP. We'll explore its chemical nature, role in rubber compounding, interactions with various rubber types, and the broader implications of its use. Chemically, DIMP is a phthalate ester derived from phthalic acid and isononyl alcohols. It's not a single compound, but a complex mixture of isononyl esters of phthalic acid, primarily composed of branched C9 isomers. This structure imparts DIMP with a high molecular weight and low volatility, making it an effective plasticizer. In rubber compounding, DIMP serves as a plasticizer, enhancing the flexibility, workability, and durability of rubber products. It integrates into the rubber matrix, reducing intermolecular forces between polymer chains. This action increases the mobility of the chains, resulting in a softer, more pliable material. DIMP's low volatility ensures that it remains within the rubber matrix over time, maintaining the desired properties of the final product. DIMP is compatible with a range of synthetic rubbers, particularly those that are less polar in nature. It works especially well with rubbers like SBR, BR, and even in certain formulations of EPDM, where the polarity is low and oil absorption is moderate. In these systems, DIMP functions effectively as a general-purpose plasticizer, enhancing flexibility, reducing compound hardness, and improving processability. However, when it comes to more polar rubbers, such as nitrile rubber or chloroprene rubber, DIMP's performance is often limited due to poor compatibility. These rubbers tend to require plasticizers with higher polarity, like certain adipates, sebacates, or specially polyester plasticizer, which can more readily interact with their polar groups. Using DIMP in such systems can lead to phase separation, migration, or insufficient softening, so formulators usually look elsewhere when working with highly polar elastomers. The presence of DIMP in a rubber formulation can influence the interaction with other additives. For instance, its plasticizing effect can affect the dispersion of fillers like carbon black or silica, potentially impacting the mechanical properties of the rubber. Additionally, DIMP's interactions with curing agents and accelerators can influence the vulcanization process, necessitating careful formulation adjustments to achieve the desired cure characteristics. Beyond its functional role, DIMP's use has raised environmental and health concerns. Studies have indicated potential health risks associated with phthalate exposure, leading to regulatory scrutiny in various regions. As a result, there's an ongoing shift towards alternative plasticizers that offer similar performance with reduced health and environmental impacts. So, DIMP plays a significant role in rubber compounding, offering benefits in flexibility and durability. However, its use requires careful consideration of compatibility with specific rubber types and interactions with other formulation components. Moreover, the evolving regulatory landscape and health considerations are prompting the industry to explore safer and more sustainable alternatives. Thank you for joining me on my rubber heart. If you have questions or topics you would like to explore further, feel free to leave a comment. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of rubber science. Stay elastic and stay curious.